Good morning students, myself V.T.BIOLOGY, P.G.T. Biology from PG Senior Secondary School. I am here with my next topic for class 11th, that is taxonomy. So in this video we discuss about what is taxonomy and who discovered taxonomy, means who is known as father of taxonomy. So at first, taxonomy. Taxonomy, it is the science. What is taxonomy? Taxonomy is the science of identification, classification and nomenclature. So taxonomy is the science of identification, classification and nomenclature. Based on their special characteristics, all living organisms can be classified into different taxa. Means there are special characters of all living organisms. So based on their special characteristics, all living organisms can be classified into different taxa. This process of classification is called taxonomy. So which process is called taxonomy? So based on their special characteristics, all living organisms can be classified into different taxa, and this process of classification is called taxonomy. Next, for 1 marks, that is very important, who is known as father of taxonomy? So here Carolus Linnaeus. So Carolus Linnaeus is known as father of taxonomy. The basis of modern taxonomy studies are external and internal structure. So the basis of modern taxonomy studies are external and internal structure. Means what are the external structure of the organism, what are the internal structure of the organism. So especially about their external feature as well as their internal feature or structure. Comparative morphology. Morphology means the study about external feature of the organism is called morphology. So the basis of modern taxonomy studies are external and internal structure along with the structure of cell. Means which type of cell, means especially the structure of cells, that is in under cytology. After that, development process, that is embryology, and ecological information of organisms, ecology. The basis of modern taxonomy studies are external and internal structure along with cytology. Cytology means about the structure of cell, embryology especially about developmental process. After that, ecology, in which ecological information of organisms. So next is, so taxonomy provides information according to similarities among organisms. After that, dissimilarities and evolutionary relationships of various organisms. So it provides information according to similarities, after that dissimilarities and evolutionary relationships of various organisms. The taxonomy can be divided into two major types. The taxonomy can be divided into two major types, such as classical taxonomy and modern taxonomy. Classical taxonomy is called old taxonomy, while modern taxonomy is called new taxonomy. So next is classical taxonomy. So next is classical taxonomy. Classical taxonomy or old taxonomy. The concept of classical or old taxonomy exists since the time of Aristotle and Theophrastus. Theophrastus is known as father of botany. He is known as father of botany. So the concept of classical or old taxonomy exists since the time of Aristotle and Theophrastus and continued up to Linnaeus, that is Carolus Linnaeus. It states that species is the basic unit of taxonomy. Means it states that species is the basic unit of taxonomy that can be described on the basis of one or few preserved specimens. So first number is species is the basic unit of taxonomy that can be described on the basis of one or few preserved specimens. Species are fixed and do not change with time. Means there are no any changing in species according to time. So species are fixed and do not change with time. A species is delimited based on morphological features. So a species is delimited based on morphological features especially, and organisms are classified on the basis of some limited features only. So all the organisms are classified in under class. Organisms are classified on the basis of some limited features only in under classical taxonomy. Next is modern taxonomy. So modern taxonomy and our new taxonomy. So the concept of modern taxonomy was given by Julian Huxley in 1940. So the concept of modern taxonomy was given by Julian Huxley in 1940. It uses evidences from all the areas of biology like morphology, anatomy, biochemistry, cell biology, physiology, genetics and evolution. So modern taxonomy uses evidences from, means in case of modern taxonomy, so Julian Huxley uses evidences from all the areas of biology like morphology, anatomy, biochemistry, cell biology, physiology, genetics and evolution, etc. So the modern taxonomy is based on the following features. The modern taxonomy is based on the following features, that is, the studies are done on a huge number of organisms based on all the variations. In case of modern taxonomy, the first feature, the studies are done on a huge number of organisms based on all variations. Next, studies also focused on subspecies, varieties, races and populations. So their studies also focused on subspecies, means after species there are subspecies. After that, on the basis of varieties, on the basis of races and populations. Next, species are not isolated. In under modern taxonomy, species are not isolated. They are related by common descent and vary from them due to accumulation of variation. So species are not isolated. They are related by common descent and vary from them due to accumulation of variations. And last, species is considered as dynamic and ever-changing entity. What is the last? The last is species is considered as dynamic and ever-changing entity. So in under taxonomy there are two types, old taxonomy and new taxonomy. Now thanks.